I'm your host, Simone Eli, alongside Rob Varner with Sheep's Head Eats. And Rob, we are making a delicious meal today.
Yes.
Cannot wait. It's hot outside. We're looking for something fast, quick, easy, refreshing, and you've got it.
I got you covered. So we're going to do a Cajun shrimp quesadilla with a little mango aioli to go on the side. It's going to be nice, quick, easy, healthy, and nice and fresh.
Sounds incredible. So we have our fruits, our vegetables, all the produce that we need. We need shrimp.
I got shrimp.
Okay.
I actually got shrimp earlier this morning. Nice, fresh. I'm going to show everybody how to peel, devein, head off. It's going to be great. We let these kind of go for a minute. You want to go peel some shrimp?
Let's do it.
So I have these beautiful brown shrimp right from the Gulf. I got them from the Spring Hill Seafood Market right down the road. Great shrimp, great seafood. I go there all the time. So these are going to take about probably 2 to 3 minutes on each side.
Yeah,
so you're looking for whatever you're making a shrimp is like a nice C.
All right, while those shrimp continue to sizzle a little bit, it's now time to do the mango aioli.
Yes.
We're gonna start.
So we got mango, light mayo, low-fat yogurt, garlic chili sauce, and honey. And then we're going to season it with salt and pepper. It's so simple to be able to just like I said, make these as small changes that can completely change your diet, your health, and the food itself. Last thing we're going to do before we head over to actually make our quesadillas, I'm just actually going to just cut these, not in half this way, but kind of half right through the middle.
Oh, yes. Cheers.
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 Oh my God. Bro. That's incredible. I mean,
Not too shabby, huh?
so good. I get a to-go box.
Absolutely you can.
This right here, quick, easy, convenient, and does not taste like I'm, eating something that's super healthy, but it is.
And I think that's what's gonna really get people to eat healthy. Because whenever people think oh man, I gotta eat healthy, it's just boiled chicken and steamed veggies, and it's no, healthy can be bright, beautiful, fun, funky, and fresh.